football on TV there.
Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago at the morning grain comments. Well, it's Friday the 13th. I hope nobody's superstitious about things like this, but anyway, it's Friday and the markets are pretty much lower overnight. Beans down about 11 cents, corn 2 and wheat 4 cents. I think yesterday we had a pretty big turnaround in the bean market. Wire services were filled with stories about potential bird flu in China slowing down some of their demand and some concerns about that. And that maybe China will slow either their buying of beans or roll some of those bean sales in the U.S. forward to next year's crop that weighed on the price of beans. Also, the corn market continues to see wire services talk about China refusing U.S. corn cargoes that have unapproved GMO seed in it. They're also maybe finding some of that in their DDG cargoes, and that could back up some of the corn, especially on the DDGs, into the United States and offer resistance to the marketplace. Bottom line is that if the U.S. and world has normal weather in 2014, prices are going to go lower. It's just that from the soybean complex, our situation was tight unless China moves some of those bean sales forward into next year's crop. The other issue has to do with money flow. Again, money's kind of gunning out of our markets, and technically speaking, we did some damage yesterday in the beans where traditional funds are long, and we'll see if they want to liquidate more of those positions as we move below some support levels. And finally, weather-wise, the U.S. Still remains cold. Down in South America, the southern part of Brazil and the northern part of Argentina will be warm and dry over the next 2 weeks. We've got to watch that closely because at the end of the 2-week time frame, crops in those areas will need a rain. Right now, the crops are rated very good, and it shouldn't be a problem for them to handle 2 weeks of warm, dry weather, but the key is that make sure this is not a change in the pattern and that dryness and warm weather does not extend after the 2-week time frame. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
Okay, cool. Thank you. ADM Brian.